How to block a contact or phone number on your iPhone. There are a few easy ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block calls, text messages, and FaceTime from any number on your iPhone. First, open the phone app and tap on Contacts. Find the person you want to block and open their contact card. Then scroll down and tap Block Caller. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Once blocked, you won't receive calls, messages, or FaceTime requests from that contact. If the number isn't saved in your contacts, you can block it from your recent calls. Tap Recents. Find the phone number you want to block, then tap the info icon next to it. Scroll down and select Block Caller, then confirm. You can also manage blocked numbers through Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, then select Phone. Next, tap Blocked Contacts. Here, you'll see all blocked numbers and contacts. To block someone new, tap Add New and select a contact from your list. If you ever want to unblock a number, simply open the Blocked Contacts page, swipe left on the contact, and tap Unblock. And that's how to block or unblock a phone number on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.